In this video, we describe an experiment to understand the effects of superpower priming and visual representations. We use the go-go interaction technique for the task, in which you can reach distant objects through amplified arm movement. Priming is a between subjects factor. Before starting the task, the participant is primed either with a neutral task explanation combined with an avatar dressed in casual clothing, or a superpower-themed backstory combined with a superhero-inspired avatar. In both priming conditions, the participant could view their avatar in a virtual mirror. Representation is a within-subjects factor. Each participant uses one of the 4 different visual representations of the go-go technique. Detachable arms is inspired by the superpower of Arm Fall Off Boy. It shows the avatar's entire arm coming off and flying into the distance. Elastic arms is inspired by the superpower of characters like Mr. Fantastic. Here, the avatar's arm becomes elastic and stretches as far as needed. Controller only is a baseline for the detachable arms representation, and corresponds to the original go-go representation. The avatar's arm appears as normal, and only the controller flies off into the distance. Controller with line is a baseline for the elastic arms representation. The controller flies off into the distance, and a thick line is drawn between the shoulder and the controller. For all priming conditions and visual representations, participants completed a target selection task. The task required repeatedly selecting a turquoise spherical target followed by a red target, as quickly and accurately as possible. The turquoise target always appears directly in front of the participant, but the red target appears at various distances and angles, requiring the use of the go-go technique's amplified motion. For additional details and experiment results, see the accompanying paper.